becomes easy.
Jatend bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka owacho ni od bura mamalo notimo gimaber e kadho lipot mar komiti mar twak mar NADCO. Kalonzo mane lose liel moro Katangi e kachung' od bura ma Iata Machakos manoyuorie kod jotelo mathoth omedo ni en gima nyiso ni Azimio kod Kenya Kwanza ne ok oketho saa margi e bedo kod komiti mar twak kendo golo paro mag bero piny Kenya.
Tusara akubali hiyo maneno ya huyo.
Munapoenda pale mnaenda DG.
We cannot add taxes. What we are trying to do as the government and as the county government of Machakos, we are trying to tighten our rope. Kuokota tu ile kwa suppose kufanya nini? Kuokotewa, but we cannot think of adding taxes to them. Kwa hivyo mimi namwambia Mheshimiwa Rais, ujue kama unataka maneno ikulu huku down, mwaga vitu huku chini, watu wapate, watu watulie.
Najua dunia siku hizi, if you are not talking gender, you actually backward. So while we congratulate Machakos County, to the next extent Nakuru County, for being in the forefront of making sure there is gender balance, let us not take it. And you know, I've just come from the National Dialogue Committee, and I want to thank your members. Naona mlipitisha jana your report. And one of the things we are dealing with is how do you deal with this issue of gender balance? 2/3 gender. 2/3 gender rule. Machakos iliwasaidia, but now, as Bishop has said, don't quote him out of context. Kwanza kusema watu wa Machakos wamekaliwa na kina mama, no.